Enjoy this satisfying roof cleaning video and share it around with your friends. Hi guys, it's Monday morning, it's 9:30 and we're already underway on this roof clean in Rickmansworth. It's been a busy morning this morning at the yard. We had all the team there for a quick team meeting at 7 AM. Then at 7:30 we had the cameraman turn up for a team photo. That was good fun, trying to get everybody in line and get everybody in order. Now we've just come over to Rickmansworth. I've got about 15 minutes to shoot this video for you guys, to shoot the intro, and then I'm off to a training event which is about 15 minutes away. So let's go and have a quick look, see how we're getting on. So I've got 3 team members on this job today. We've got Dimitri, who's already cracking on up in the cherry picker at the front with a steam van, and you can see the steam in the background, and the roof is coming up lovely, so that should be a real good transformation. And then we've got Aaron and Jim round the back getting set up with the scaffold tower, and they've got another pressure washing van to hit it from the back. So it's quite a big job here today. It's a lovely big house, and we're hoping that we can get it done in 2 days.
Dumi, man, you've worked very hard today, sir. How you feeling?
Feel a little bit tired, but ready for tomorrow.
It's good to see you again, brother. Good to see you again. So just
well.
tell me today, you and Aaron is at the back, you at the front, pretty much done the whole roof today,
yeah.
huh?
Yeah, 90% of the roof is nearly done. We just have for tomorrow just one part, and we have to rinse off everything before to put the biocide. We'll put the biocide.
Yes.
We're just coming down to rinse off everything, leave clear to the customer to be happy.
Perfect. So basically just clean that last section. And then
clean last section, biocide, rinse off everything.
Clean up,
tidy up, make sure the job is completely done. Our customer to be happy.
Very happy. Wow, brilliant. The original OG of LBC, original gangster.
How we doing,
mate? How you feeling?
Yeah, knackered, mate. Been a busy day, long day.
Just spoke to Dumi. Just want to check in with you, man. Great day's work. You and Dumi pretty much walloped this massive roof.
This is yours. There he is. We had a good day today, didn't we, Dumi? Yeah. He's giving me my boot. He's kicking me out already.
Dumi front, you back. Yeah, well played today, man. So are you here tomorrow with Dumi?
Here tomorrow. We've done 90% today. We've just got the rinsing down, a little bit more roof to do, a bit of biocide treatment tomorrow.
Job's a good one,
good to go, mate.
All right, dream team, man. It's a pleasure watching you two work.
Sweet, mate.
Hey, nice one. Listen.
Sweet.
God bless.
God bless, bro.
Hope you've enjoyed our satisfying roof cleaning video. If you're liking our content, make sure to give us the thumbs up. And if you've got any questions, do leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for some more roof cleaning videos and click here for some more satisfying videos.